It is completely the middle of the, well, not night, but it's 10 to 5, so we're doing this completely the wrong way
So
around.
the sun's gone down.
But does mean you can have a gin. So
yes.
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Merry Vlogmas!
Mum's brought down her Edinburgh gin and the start of a gin. So are you? Do you want to see what you have in your calendar
quite
today?
happy to use the today one, and that can be another day.
Instant report. So day 5. Oh, it's a little one.
It's near, the sun's over the yard I'm on.
It's different. It's dark outside. Pitch black outside. They're not good perforations,
Not good
they?
perforations. No.
This year's box is not getting a full 5 out of 5. What do we have?
Oh.
Oh, it's Finland.
Oh.
You had this last time. It's the Cairo Distillery Company. And Laura was saying the Few gin, the American gin, was from a distillery near her.
All right.
And it was named tongue-in-cheek after the guy who started the temperance movement, who I cannot remember the name of. Yeah.
What William Booth?
Oh no, Edward. Oh, we've got to look now. Can you fight your way into your gin?
No.
Dad, you might need to help.
Normally they just don't, don't they?
There you go. Does it smell like gin? Oh, guys. Yeah, it smells like gin. Francis E. Willard, a temperance movement leader who is from Evanston. The Few Spirits, they also do a breakfast gin flavoured with Earl Grey tea, Dad. He's busy reading his story.
Yeah.
Did you hear any of that? Did you go?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so my turn. Oh, did you have a sip yet?
No. Cheers!
Real-time gin tasting. For a lady without taste buds.
Because I poured it onto the tonic. I'm certainly tasting the gin.
Is it nice gin?
Yeah.
This is good.
You can smell it. It's aromatic.
I can't smell a thing. Oh god, no. Blech. You brought me up badly, and gin and tonics does not sound like a pleasant thing. So my calendar from Finland. Oh, I can see 5. It's right at the bottom.
Oh, right. Well, that's it.
Oh, it's a box. Elena said that whilst she did wrap all my presents, her son put the labels on, so she has no idea what I'm getting each day.
Oh, what
She
fun.
knows what presents I'm getting, but not what I'm getting each day. So number 5 is a little box.
What fun.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, Elena, you'll have to let us know.
That's
Is it
straight
pendant?
out of Men in Black.
I was going to say it looks a little Fabergé to me. But
Yeah.
Men in Black, Orion's necklace.
Yeah.
I've got a galaxy around my neck. Is it a pendant? Because I know you make jewellery as well. I've still got some of the lovely pieces you've made me. Because there's a couple of these boxes. I wonder if I'm going to get 2 and then some jewellery fixings. I really like that. It's golden green as well. Shocking. Of course I like it. So we've got finished gin.
Beautiful.
Finish
I'm looking forward to
Advent
seeing
calendar.
that on a necklace.
or earrings, depending what's in the other one. Oh, have you been reading the story?
Yes.
Where are we going today?
We're going into a room with building blocks in it, and some of them have fallen on the floor.
Oh no.
So they have to be, there's a sophisticated code to be sorted out.
Okay.
Pretty sophisticated one.
Oh dear. Is this where we have a downfall? And
Please
it takes
turn
us
the
hours?
page, then open door 5.
Oh, okay. Oh. We could be here for a while.
No.
So we've just been putting everyone's ID cards back in their days, haven't we?
Well,
Oh, there's oh gosh, I can't. I'm trying to do it through the viewfinder and everything's way closer. So there's shapes with numbers, and then that's what's on the storybook, and that's on the. But there's no
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's the same shape as that, with stuff on the.
Oh, okay.
Ah. Aha!
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Ma.
Read that first clue. You read that first clue.
You glad you got your gin?
Jeez.
Yeah, I'm confused. I'm confused. Okay, I'm a bit confused by that one.
It's a bit odd, that one.
Yeah, I'm not sure that they've all disappeared. They're
I'm sorry.
it's alright.
Confuse
We're drifting. Yeah, that one didn't make as much sense.
No.
But we are now going to get on with the rest of our day, as if by magic. We are filming massively out of order today, but you have just seen calendar goodness and fun, and possibly even a live gin tasting, depending on what time Mum gets home from her meeting this afternoon. I've had a very leisurely start to the morning. I stayed up quite late last night getting things done. We're not going to talk about the E word anymore, but that did mean that I had my morning free to dye my hair. Having looked at myself on camera for the last couple of days, my hair was looking quite thin and sparse at the bottom, and it's not actually, it's just it was really grey. So yeah, now I have comedy hairline for a couple of days. Anyway, we had some major kitten progress this morning. Very respectful babies. Or an asleep Izzy and a blinky Max. And a purry Gianna. Hey baby girl. No growling so far. Either brave or a silly boy. Oh, he's backing up. He's not thought this through. There we go. Chi is in full-on loaf mode. And blinking. I caught a slow blink. Oh. Izzy is over there. Well, there were 2 loaves. And actual slow blinks. Young man. Which was pretty epic to see, and Chiana was not stressed at all. There was no licking of lips, no growling afterwards. She went and hid under the quilt cover, but that, as you saw yesterday, is her kind of happy place, and that's where she sleeps majority of the time anyway. So it's not like I'm not worried that it's like an avoidant behaviour, but I'm not letting the kittens in the room while she's under the quilt cover, just in case they jump on her, on top of her, because they obviously can't see her and startle her, and I don't want to start anything accidentally, so I'd rather she was fully aware that they're coming in and they know exactly where she is as well. So anyway, back down here this afternoon, I'm going to get this gorgeous thing finished. Like I say, we need to do the side seams with bias binding, sew a little bit of the bottom together so that I can hem it, and then hang it up waiting for the bodice to get done, which depending on how long all that takes, I'm going to get started on the bodice today, and the little bits of tutorial that I've got for the piping to go with that bodice. What's hard? My brain's just gone completely blank. When I get the skirt done today, because as mammoth a task as this has been, I really am at the easy parts now. So when I get the skirt done today, then I'm going to start on the bodice. I need to cut out the interfacing for the different pieces of the bodice, and then I can start getting those sewn together for the piping tutorial, which fingers crossed won't be too long before you guys are seeing it. And then I'm not sure what to do next, but why not, rather than my brain, because this is how my brain works, so this is a really good illustration of how my brain works. I'm like, I can do this, this and this, and then this and this and this, and then this and this, and I don't have 48 hours in a day. So I am going to get on and get this dress done as much as I can do today, and then tomorrow we will cross that bridge when I get to it. Not if, but when I get to it. So yes, I'm going to stop waffling, get on with these things. I will show you what the skirt looks like once it's finished. Wish me luck. I have skirt! And I've just done the part of the tutorial that finishes off the piping part, or the join of the piping on the hem of the skirt, and that's what it's going to end up looking like when it's all pressed under, but that's what it looks like ahead of time, and I'm very pleased with that. So I just need to bias bind that edge, then press it under, and then I think I'm going to slip stitch the bias binding into place. And I think the bias binding is going to give a nice weight to the hem, so because I could trim off all the excess and turn that edge under and do that. That's a lot of work, and bias binding's a lot easier and will be a lot quicker. Will be 2 lines of stitching and then slip stitching it into place, and it will, like I say, add weight to the hem, which I quite like. So yeah, Mum and Dad are on their way down. It's 4:30. They're on their way down to do calendars, which you've already seen, but I don't know what we've got yet today. So They're on their way. And now we're back, and this is the end of our day. You've both been very busy all day. Would you like me to come and cook dinner?
Oh!
You dreamboat.
I knew that would make me popular.
Yeah, very popular.
You can stay.
Aren't I lucky?
Yeah, too.
You do realise if you kick me out, one of you two is going to have to do the cat's litter trays.
Yeah. No.
See,
We've got mum.
There's another reason to stay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Granny.
So we've got
Bye.
No,
Oh.
you remember thumbnail. You remembered yesterday. I remember today.
Oh.
So.
Okay. Thumbnails.
Oh.
Before you kick, yes, so it's been a very quick Vlogmas today. Hope
Yes.
you've enjoyed the little bit that we have filmed.
Yes.
And we will be back tomorrow for more of the same, hopefully in a slightly more organised order so that my brain doesn't melt whilst I try and edit. But otherwise, we will see you then. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.